Shawty ice cold, still phone a nigga up. Hot me a park and float like the real. I shoot shots like Reggie Miller. Girl, you look so familiar. She a bad one, she love Christian, she love diamonds. Pay attention, can I have you? Girl, I want you.
Hey friends, that's what I'm gonna call you guys for now because I gotta think of another intro, but for now I'm gonna just say hey friends. So hey friends, so today I'm just super excited. Doesn't mean you are, but you clicked on this video, so you must be kind of curious, or you're just lost. Either way, whatever, I don't really care. So I'm gonna be doing a review on these LED strip lights, or they're LED lights. So they're super colorful. I'm so excited about this because if you know me, I've been waiting forever to get these, and for some reason I just haven't ordered them. So yesterday, well not yesterday, two days ago, I'm honestly, I'm laying in my bed on Amazon and I'm okay, I'm just gonna order these lights because I really wanted them, and the only person holding me back is my damn self. So today we're gonna review these, set them up. I'm gonna put them behind here. So I'm just gonna do a little unpacking and setup. This is a 2-for-1 video. We got the best of both worlds. If you guys are interested in this product, I'll make sure to leave the link down below just because they're super cool. And what's unique about this one is that you can pair it with your phone and you can adjust it. You can set a timer. Honestly, I just think that's sick because I tend to lose little remotes very quickly. And yeah, having the app on my phone just makes it 10 times easier to deal with because I always have my phone. So yeah, you can change color, timer. On here it says they're used in hotels, bars, houses, holidays, and more. I don't know why they didn't say rooms, but I'm using it in my bedroom, so that's how I'm gonna use this. But yeah, so I'm gonna go into the package, so just keep watching and stay tuned. Okay guys, so sorry if I look like Wizard Kelly right now. That was a Proud Family reference, just because I feel like my eyes are cut off, but it's not about me, it's about these lights. So here's the package. Also ignore the fact that my nails need to be done. Don't be that person, please. Anyways, so here's the light. Packaging. Okay, great, cute. We love. And then, okay, so inside the box. So this is what's inside the box. This little thing. So here's the Wi-Fi adapter that it needs in order to have the app on your phone, and then the remote's in here also. So I guess the 2 forms of remotes are in here. Cool, nice. Oh, there's also some type of adhesive sticker. I don't really know what that's for yet. Hopefully it tells me what the heck that's for, I don't know. Okay, there's these little clip thingies. I also don't know what the heck this is for. So this should be interesting because I don't see no damn instructions. So yeah, whatever. And we have the power source. So these aren't not wireless, but they need a power source in order to work, which means they're not battery function, or you know what I mean, whatever. Guys, ignore the lack of knowledge in terms of terminology. In here we have the lights, and so I'll open them. You guys want to see? Jesus. Yo, just know if this broke, I'm bringing it back to Amazon and I'm gonna say I got my product broken. Send me a new one. So this is how the lights look. Sorry, they smell like Sharpie, but this is how the lights look. I got the 5-meter lights. Okay, well one's falling out already. So there's, okay, these are super thick and super bendy. I'm here for this. This is quality. But yeah, these are, it's rubbery. Okay. And no instructions. Yay, great. Oh, this is so bad. So now that we've gone through what's in the box, I'm gonna set it up. There's no instructions, so this is really a DIY. So I'm gonna really be trying my best. Please do not judge me. I hope this comes out perfectly. I don't know how it's going to with there we go. Well, I think I lost something already. The okay, I'll find it after because I'm gonna have to. But like the little, oh, I know where it is. This little adhesive thing they gave me, I don't know how I'm gonna make this work with the amount of lights they gave me, but yeah, stay tuned to find out. Sidebar. Okay, so you know how I was saying that I didn't know how that little adhesive was gonna stick this whole thing? I'm an idiot. So on the back of this, there is adhesive. You just peel that off and you stick it. So wherever you choose to stick it, like make sure you actually want it there for a while. If not, you might have to get like hot glue or something, or like go to Walmart and start like getting those little adhesive strips if you take it off and you want to keep moving it or whatever. So just thought I'd let you guys know. Don't be like me. Okay guys, so I finally set up the lights. It didn't take me too long, but it took a little figuring out. So pretty much how it looks is the strips, like I told you, had the adhesive, the sticky, whatever, behind it. The only issue with these lights, I will say, is that when you're trying to bend a corner, it's hard because it's not really meant to bend and you can't cut it, right? So it's like kind of like not laying flat, pretty much. It's risen. So because it's behind my headboard, you can't really take it in. It's fine. It's just going to bounce off the curtain or whatever, the wall, and still give you the illusion or the light color that you want to see. So it goes from my headboard across down, and then I put it under my bed. I would have loved for it to go all the way under. You can see I just needed a little bit more. So over here, there's like an attachment. So if you wanted to buy another one, you could. And you can just connect it here, and then it would obviously mimic the color that this one has already. It's just that would cost me another, you know, however much I paid for it, $30 or whatever. But to me, that's not that serious. It's okay. I'd rather it just be here and here for now. But maybe at a later date, I'll just complete it because it looks kind of half done, right? Like if I take my carpet and I cover it a little bit, yeah, it's not working. But you know what I'm trying to say. Either way, it looks super cool. I'm in love with it. And yeah, so the adapter has to be, that back part has to be facing. And then you can change accordingly. So blue, oh, that's a vibe. Yo, lately I've been feeling the color blue, I'm not gonna lie. Looks nice, looks nice. Don't mind my bed, like I tried to make it. It's just, the sheet is very, like you can see all the texture once you sit in it or dent it. Yeah, blue's actually kind of nice though. I'm mad at it. Okay, there's a difference of blues, okay? Orange or whatever. I'm in love with this. Okay, so I adjusted my ring light just a little bit. I dimmed it just so you can really take in the blue. I'm not gonna keep it blue, but I'm just kind of like feeling the blue a lot right now. Like this is actually a whole vibe compared to the white lights I had. Like nothing was wrong with it, and it actually came super clutch for like 4 years of me being in uni. But this is it. I don't know why it took so long to get these, and especially that it goes to my music. Nah. Let me try to figure that out. Hold on. But everyone can't feel this. Yeah. I can't fuck with the word.
Why you look back like that? Look at that ass. 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 Come. Why you gotta dress like that? Why you gotta flex like that? Come. Why you gotta act like that? Why you look back like? Okay guys, so I'm just going to show you how to use the app. So it came with this QR sheet, whatever. Open your camera, scan it. It's going to take you to the app store. Download the app, obviously, whatever. Don't want you guys to see my email. Once it downloads, it'll take you to the app. Allow it to send you notifications and do all that jazz. And then you can add your device by clicking the little plus at the top right corner. And then you have to make an account. So fill in these little prompts. Once you do that, you need to connect your Wi-Fi. So make sure you find the right Wi-Fi that it tells you to look for.
And then once you do that, it'll bring you back to the app where you need to confirm your Wi-Fi on the app, type in your password, and then it'll take you to another page where it'll load it. Once it's loaded, you should be connected, and then just change the name to wherever your lights are. So I put my room, basic, but like whatever, it is what it is. And then you're in, which is easy. So then you click the lights that you have under the devices, and then you can change the colors from there. You can make custom colors by clicking anywhere on the color wheel or the top left where the red, green, and blue are. There's presets for functions, which is like changes the setting of the lights, the style, whatever. You can have strobe, all that, a gradual change, etc., etc. This is where you connect your music, so it'll detect the music playing from your microphone on your phone, and then it'll change the lights according. And here is where you put in the timer that you want.
So that's it, guys. I hope you actually enjoyed watching this, and honestly I hope you buy it if you find it interesting, if you want it for your room. I think it's super cool, super unique. It just adds a little something to your room, color wise. If you wanted something different, you know, your vibe changes, you change the colors in your rooms, you can change the lights, you can literally have a party in your room, you can set a whole vibe, you have people over, you know. So if your head's in the gutter, it's in the gutter. But yeah, no, I'm really glad I got it, because I'm gonna be using it all the time, non-stop. All you guys are gonna see in the back are my lights going or on a certain setting, but I really wanted it. I think it was worth the price. I paid like $35 Canadian, and it came in 2 days. So I know, like, that was with Amazon Prime, and I know if you're a student, like, you get half off, I think, Prime. This is not a sponsored video, obviously not. I'm too small of a channel to be sponsored, but it's worth it. So, or if you don't mind waiting, like, you don't have to pay for the Prime membership. I think it's like 3 months free or something. So if you want to use it for 3 months, use it for 3 months, get your products, and then cancel the subscription. But yeah, worth it. So anyways, yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you comment if you want to comment. Like, share, subscribe, and you can turn on your post notifications. I'm gonna post weekly, so if you care to watch me, subscribe to me. If you don't care, I mean, you can still subscribe to me if you want. Yeah, I'd really appreciate the support. Shout out to the ones that are subscribed to me already. Thanks for watching this video. Shout out to you also. I appreciate it. So yeah, have a good day, guys. Peace and blessings. I am out.
Float like the real. I shoot shots like Reggie Miller. Shoot. Girl, you look so familiar. She a bad one. She love Christian. She love diamonds. Pay attention. Can I have you? Girl, I want you.